Big news coming in. The Chinese army moved thousands of tons of military vehicles and hardware into the Tibet region after a recent standoff with Indian troops in Doklam area. That's the big news that we are getting for you. We have with us my colleague Hector, who joins us for more on this. Now, Hector, clearly tons of military hardware has been moved, heavy deployment by China.
Yes, the information coming in from China by the agency PTI reports that the Chinese army has moved tens of thousands of hardware to the Tibet region as the standoff with Indian troops continues in the Doklam area. Remember, Doklam is at the tri-junction of India, Bhutan and China. There has been an ongoing standoff there with the Indian troops and the Chinese troops standing their ground over control over that sector. The report suggests that a vast haul was transported to a region south of the Kunlun Mountains in northern Tibet by the Western Theatre Command, which oversees the restive regions of Xinjiang and Tibet and handles the border issues with India as well. So this appears to be continued aggression by Chinese, who had earlier suggested that India would need to pay for their aggression in that particular area.